Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Drinking Dude. So today to honor Cinco de Mayo, we're going to make a frozen margarita. What you need is a highball glass or margarita glass, a blender, pouring tips if you have them. If you don't have pouring tips, no worries. You can use a shot glass to measure the alcohol. For ingredients, we need is tequila, triple sec, sweet and sour mix, salt, and lime. To get started, fill your highball glass with ice all the way to the top. In the video I point out half, but later you'll see me adjust this. If you're going to be using a shot glass to measure your alcohol, what you need is a shot full of tequila. Next, what you're going to need is about half a shot of triple sec. Next, what you need is lime juice. I squeezed some and I put some to the side. To get started, you're going to pour your ingredients into the blender. First, you want to pour your ice. Next, you want to pour 1.25 ounces of tequila. If you're using the freehand method, that's a 5-second count. Next, you want to grab your triple sec. You're going to pour 1/2 ounce of triple sec, which is a 2-second count. Then you want to do a splash of lime juice. And lastly, you want to fill with sweet and sour. What I mean by fill is the equivalent amount of what you would have poured in your highball glass. Next, you want to turn on the blender. You want to blend all the ingredients together. You want the consistency to be smooth and frothy. If you notice it's a little too liquidy, then you want to add ice and make adjustments along the way. Of course, this wouldn't be a frozen margarita without a salt to the rim. Go ahead and salt the rim. Then you want to pour your margarita mix into your highball glass. And lastly, garnish it with a lime wedge. And that's how you make a frozen margarita. I know there's tons of different ways to make frozen margaritas, but in my opinion, this is the most simple and easiest way. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching to the end. If you like alcohol as much as I do, then feel free to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, thanks once again for watching.